Why is water control important? Showers without an edge rely on a gentle slope towards their drain to properly control water. This gentle slope is often not enough. The collapsible water dam ensures proper water retainment in the shower. Properly controlling water helps prevent falls, reduce liability, and decreases maintenance costs. The dam's durable foam is soft enough to step on, but also strong enough to absorb the repeated impact of a wheelchair, walker, or rollator's weight. At approximately 1 inch high, the dam's low, triangular design makes entering and exiting the shower safe by reducing one's chance of tripping. The American designed and made collapsible water dam is the best solution to help you shower safe. Getting started with your project, there are 2 important things to consider. Number 1, which end cap do I need? The kit includes 1 length of dam and 2 end caps. The end caps plug the end of the dam and offer a finished look and additional support along its edges. The round end caps are used when installing in a shower with a curved edge where the floor meets the wall, while the square style end caps are designed for showers with a flat edge or 90-degree corner. Number 2, which length of water dam do I need? The collapsible water dam is available in 3 sizes: 66 inches, 72 inches, and 96 inches long. When installing into a rounded shower, an additional 4 to 6 inches of length is recommended so that the dam can follow along the shower's curved edge on either side until the dam and end cap are vertical. This effectively prevents water from escaping on the corners. When installing into a square shower, the length of dam required is approximately 1 inch under the stall's total width. This half-inch space on either end of the dam allows for the square end caps to bridge between the dam and the shower's walls.